Hello all, I'm Mithun and welcome back to a brand new video. So in this video we are going to explore Leetcode. Okay, so Leetcode is one such platform. No matter what profile of computer science you are preparing for, okay, if you want to test your problem solving ability, so I would recommend Leetcode. And it's not just about problem solving, there is a lot of things you can do. And yes, so Leetcode has over 3000 problems. It's very much overwhelming at the beginning, so how to handle that? Okay, so what should be your thought process, and if I were you, so how would I make the best use of Leetcode? So that is what we are going to discuss in this particular video. We'll start with what is Leetcode, why it is so popular. Okay, so we'll walk through the entire Leetcode platform, so we will know that it's not just about problem solving, there is a lot of things apart from that. And finally we'll see how to make the best of Leetcode. Okay, so I hope the agenda is very much clear. So without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, so first thing, what is Leetcode? Okay, so Leetcode is a all-in-one platform. Okay, so I would say Leetcode is an all-in-one platform for your interview preparation. Okay, so it has various divisions. Okay, where various sections where it touches upon the most important parts of interview, from the application process to the negotiation. Okay, so that's the leap of interview, right? You will start with choosing which company to apply, and then once you clear, you will negotiate. So in all process, Leetcode can help you. Okay, now we'll see that later in the hands-on demo. Now, why it is so popular? Okay, so let me be honest here. So even the companies, okay, like Amazon, Google, all of these product-based companies, they ask Leetcode type of questions even today. Okay, so that's the whole thing. So it's better to practice it beforehand, so that you will know how the questions will be there, what should you focus, all of those things, right? Because of these companies, okay, trust Leetcode and ask Leetcode type of questions. Leetcode is so much popular. Okay, again I will take to the discussion forums where people have claimed that, yeah, so this is what was asked. Okay, so that is why it's popular. Okay, apart from this, it has a very good interface. Okay, a lot of functionalities, a lot of features which will help you. So combining all of this, Leetcode is so much popular. Okay, again there are a lot of platforms like this, but why we are specifically focusing on Leetcode is the level of the preparation you can do there. Okay, so I hope this is very much clear. Again, for someone who is thinking that, hey Mithun, I'm practicing in hacker rank, or I'm getting interview in hacker rank, will this help? Yes, it surely helps, because in interviews, online assessment rounds are scheduled across platforms, and all of the platforms do problem solving. Okay, again, so Leetcode also does the problem solving part, so it is not any hack in the interview. The hack is only while you are learning. So that is the hacks I'm going to show. And when you are giving the interview, no matter what platform it is, you can cope up with it. Okay, so I hope this is very much clear. So to get started, let me go to Leetcode. Again, I am not going to showcase or use my personal profile. Okay, because you might think that something has changed here. No, so this is a fresh account. Okay, so this is what I have created today. So this will be the same platform for you, so just log in using Google or any of the socials. Okay, so this is the first interface. Okay, so many of them on seeing this interface will get that, what is this? Is this a blog platform? Okay, wait a minute, so we'll come back to this, but let's start from the beginning. So first we'll have the explore section. Okay, so again let me tell you, Leetcode is more than a problem solving platform. They provide a lot of support as well. Okay, like they have some blocks design. Okay, so where they have different chapters. Okay, so different question solving, some videos, some blogs, all of this. So whatever you are interested, you can take it up. Okay, again let me tell you, so Leetcode has a premium subscription as well, which is very much costly. Okay, because it's not an Indian product, so the billing will happen in dollars. So but I will tell you how to surpass that as well. Okay, so no need to buy any premium or such. Okay, so here you can see you have cheat sheets, data structures, algorithm, system design, Google interview, Facebook interview, anything which has premium, so don't touch that. Okay, company wise divisions all are in the premium ones. Okay, no need to worry. So this is the first place where you can take up, like you want to solve top interview questions, you can just say, hey, I want to start this series. Okay, what happens is that when you are in this series kind of situation, your motivation is up. Okay, it's the gamification of learning. So that's it. Okay, so you will have some questions related to again, so these questions you can solve outside also, but here they have bundled up things. Okay, so that's it. Again, there is no guarantee that these questions will come in interview, so these are just gamification things. Okay, don't just think that if I solve this then my interview will be cleared. No. Okay, so this is the explore section. So you can also learn databases, SQL language here. So you can see there are a lot of questions on this. This is the explore section where you will get these bundles. Okay, again, I would highly encourage you to start with the Leetcode's beginner's guide. Okay, so you will get to understand the platform, but yeah, so if you watch this video you can bypass that as well. Great. Okay, next comes the main part. So where we all love to solve problems. Okay, so go to the problem screen again. So this is very much overwhelming. See, so there is a lot of things happening here. So you have around 3671 questions. Okay, now Mithun, should I solve all of the 3671 questions, or what is the number of questions I need to solve? Let me be honest, there is no magic number. There is no magic number around this, that this is the number of questions you need to solve. Okay, so but I will tell you the trick, so how to take that up. So the idea is to maximize your learning. So that's the whole thing. So Mithun, how to get started? Again, if you are someone who don't know what is DSA, so I will be pinning the video here. So watch that video first, where I have given you the complete roadmap. Okay, so you can watch that video and come back to this video. Okay, now first you will be choosing a programming language, then you will be learning a lot of data structures, right? So first list is the different data structure divisions. Okay, like let's say I want to solve on arrays. Okay, you will get questions on arrays. So on arrays there are like around 1976 questions. So should I start from 1 2 3 4? No, it's not all solving 1976 question. The first phase is to get comfortable with the platform. Okay, first start from easy problems. Okay, sort the difficulty. Okay, solve around 10 of them just to get comfortable with the platform. Then move your difficulty. Okay, so move your difficulty to intermediate, hard, all of this. And if you are finding, like let's say you solve 5 questions, okay, and then 6th question is not able to solve, you are not able to solve even if it is easy, because the acceptance rate is very much less. So you can also modify the acceptance rate. And first keep up the motivation. So that's the first step, keep up the motivation, and later start with the medium level and eventually move to the hard level things. Okay, so the first filter you will be applying is of the data structure or the algorithm which you are going to see. So there are a lot of tags. Okay, so if you expand it, so there are a lot of tags here, so you can directly use whatever is, you are able to do it. Next, if you want to sort by topics, like you want to solve algorithms, so you have algorithm problems again, so these might repeat. Okay, next, database operations, shell command, and for JavaScript devs you have JavaScript section. Again, it's not like if this is in JavaScript, so I should only solve in JavaScript. No, see, you have these problems in JavaScript, and if you go to regular problems also, right? So let me go to regular problems. Okay, so it's not like only those problems are available in JavaScript. So if you come here, see, you will have JavaScript here as well. Okay, so it's just a separate division for JavaScript devs. That's it. Okay, it's not like only you can solve that using JavaScript. Great, so this is how you take up. And now the next question people ask me is, that means, you know, how much time should I spend on each problem? Okay, initially don't worry about that time. Okay, initially your aim should be to solve this. Okay, let's take a medium level question. So let me show you how to solve this. First, read this and understand the context. Okay, this is very much important. Understanding the problem is the first step of solving. Okay, and next, look at the example inputs. So if you have a pen and paper, scribble. Okay, write some notes, build the approach. Again, you need not to do the best approach in the first go itself. Start with brute force, better the approach. Okay, again, so sometimes the brute force itself will get accepted. The idea is not to just get accepted. Think how you can better the solution. And this is very much important. These are the edge cases. The constraints you see are the edge cases. Okay, you need to focus on all of these parts. First, understand, next, experiment, and next, handle the edge cases. And once done, so you can submit, you can run the test cases and submit eventually. Okay, So this is how the approach should be. Okay, now we are done with how to get started, okay, individually, and also the UI interface about the problem solving. So this is how we are going to do. Again, each day you log in, you will be having the streak as well. So how many days you have logged in, you can see the streak here. Okay, so if you go to this store, okay, and go to redeem, you will be getting some coins. Okay, so you can see, so completed daily check-in mission, so you will be getting all of this. Okay, don't worry about that. And some days you will be like, hey, I am confused, which one should pick up. So each day Leetcode will suggest you one problem, so if you're comfortable, you can solve that problem as well. Okay, so the top one with the calendar is Leetcode suggesting you. Great. Again, you can see the streak calendar here. Okay, so these are premium features, don't worry. Okay, so these are all the premium features which you can take it up. Great. Now, Mithun, we'll also have something called as a study plan. Okay, again, I told you, right? So you have in the explore section, same like 30 days of JavaScript. Okay, so Leetcode 75. So all of these are like to help you keep up the motivation. Great. Now I told you Leetcode is not just about a problem solving, it's a all-in-one platform. Again, if you watched the previous DSA video, I told you you should attend contests. So Leetcode will run weekly and bi-weekly contests, so you can enroll for that. So it happens majorly on the weekends. Okay, and if you're someone who want to analyze the previous ones also, you can just open and see what questions were asked. Okay, and solve it if you missed. Okay, but make sure you solve all of these. Okay, now again, I told you, right, once you are comfortable, don't worry about the time till you are comfortable. Once you are comfortable, make sure you are solving easy problems in less than 50 minutes. Okay, medium problems in less than 30 minutes, and hard problems in less than 1 hour. So with this, what happens, you track your time as well, which will help a lot in this contest. I was doing the same thing, so track this. Okay, great. So these are the people. Okay, again, this is all tampered because of AI. Okay, don't worry, but be honest and do it. Okay, don't use AI here. Great. And next you have discussion platform. I told you, right, Leetcode can help you from the interview application to negotiation, because you can find all of the questions here, any questions. Okay, like let me for fun search Cisco. Okay, see, Cisco is the intern. Okay, so there are postings here. Okay, and there are interview experiences as well. Okay, so I got an internship, work is related to network. So see, all of this, you will get postings about hackathons. Okay, so if you want regular career related advices, you will have all of this. Okay, so did anyone get OA for Amazon recent uni grad role? Okay, contests, so anything discussions about the contest will be there. Compensation, so what company is providing what compensation. Okay, Microsoft versus pay Japan. Okay, Nutanix, Adobe's pay for MTS2. So all of these discussions will happen. You can post the questions as well, you can get answers, so you can create a discussion. All of this is there. And feedback from the interviews, like Nike SDE2. So what is the feedback? Okay, so I actually applied through a referral and it's been a great experience so far. See, they will give you suggestions. So many of the people who are applying for product based companies will see these reviews here. Okay, because here you have legitimate reviews. Okay, and upvotes. Okay, so the greater the upvote means many are agreeing it. Okay, so that's one of the things. And regarding the interview process as well, so like let's say Wells Fargo's SDE1 interview, so what are the questions asked? See, missing number, expressive words. Okay, they are posting anonymously, so not an issue. Again, don't assume that the same questions will come in your interviews. No, it might be the same level of questions will come. Okay, again, it was a technical round of 60 minutes and you get the target, you need to solve these two in 60 minutes. Okay, and if you see, this will be typically so this is an easy problem. Okay, so it should take you 15 minutes, and this is a medium problem for 30 minutes. See, that is the level companies also think. Basic questions 15 minutes, medium questions 30 minutes, hard questions 1 hour. Okay, again, so these are something which everyone know. Recently, or many people don't know about the interview platform as well. You can take mock interviews, so you will have 10 interviews per month. So you can just create an interview and you can select whatever and take mock interviews as well. That's one good thing. And assessment, you will have assessments as well. So that's why I call it as an all-in-one platform, but it is popularized as a problem solving platform. That's it. Okay, again, don't worry about the store. Many will be flexing around LinkedIn that they have this t-shirt, because look at this 7,200 coins. Okay, so I have 16, so look where 7,200. It takes years to get this, so that's why it's a big deal of getting this one. And next, whenever it comes to premium, so premium is very much high, so it is $40 per month. Again, considering you are just starting out, so this would be not something I would recommend. So, Mithun, how to then get access to the premium question? There are a lot of GitHub repos. Okay, like let's say company-wise in Leetcode questions GitHub. Okay, so there are people who are maintaining this. Okay, Leetcode company-wise questions. Okay, like let's say you are looking for Cisco maybe. Okay, open this, so you'll have a lot of problems. Okay, so more than 6 months, 6 months, 3 months. Okay, like let's say this is the lucky number in matrix, so this is the link of Leetcode you should solve. Okay, so you will have all of these data. Many a times what happens is that some will also store answers, so they have the question description, everything you can use. So search for these GitHub links, and this is the way how you can without buying the premium as well, you can get the questions. Okay, at the end you should focus on to problem solving. Okay, so I hope this is very much clear. Now you are very much clear with what Leetcode is, why it is so popular. We had a quick walkthrough on Leetcode and how to make the best of Leetcode. Okay, so let me know your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the channel, so we'll be getting a lot of these updates where I will be sharing tips with hands-on demos. And yeah, so share this with your friends so that even they get started and understand things in a very easy way. That's it for this video, and I will catch you up in the next one. Thank you.